Hey guys, welcome back to Crossing Rivers Bison. It's a little family trip today. We've got baby Beau in here, my wife Marisa. We got the ranch hand Bulleit. The only one we're missing is Brooks. Right now, the cold front is hitting as we speak. We gotta get the bees taken care of. We're also gonna go check on the Big Joe herd. And there's a problem on the ranch, and I really wanna get it taken care of. Hey girls, I'll give y'all some too. Keep you two busy. All right. On the go snack. What are you doing, Bulleit? Oh, okay, you gotta get up here too. Marisa's got the gate, and the bison are dealing with cubes right now. Red dog. And Beau has gone back to sleep. So we were trying to get through this gate, and they happened to see us. I thought maybe we could get through here without them catching us, but they heard the ATV and they get excited this time of the year. We start giving them cubes every now and then. I'm going to show you something here in just a second of why we can't use my truck on days like this when we're going to feed the bees. We have to go through something, and it's pretty important. It's been a big deal to us. We need to make some changes to it. We're going to go show it to you right now as we go to feed the bees. And I saved some cubes for our girl, Eleanor. Hey, Jackie. Hey, Jackie. Look who it is up there. Way up there. Eleanor. I'm gonna get across here. Well, she came down in the water. You can see her tracks here. She came down. Got a drink of water. All right, so here is the hiccup why we can't get our truck through the entire property. We have to drive around to the backside, which goes through the hay meadow. No big deal, but we cannot cross because of this right here. That right there is a hard, definite rock slab right there. That's all solid, more than likely sandstone rock. I think I've brought this up before, but a matter of fact, I got a tractor stuck there. I was using my neighbor's brush hog, his batwing, to brush hog our fire lines for our prescribed fire back in July. And I actually got it stuck there on that sandstone. And so I've ran into those issues before. We can't drive a vehicle across here because it catches the bottom of vehicles, and it's a low point for trailer hitches. And so it's just been an issue, but it definitely needs some change. And what I've talked about doing right here is kind of like my brother-in-law from Arms Family Homestead, Daniel. He has a slab, and I'm thinking about, to try to not slow down the creek, we don't want to change it up or anything, we're thinking about pouring a slab here. But the challenge is of pouring a slab is you're tying into basically the earth, the soil, the ground, and then on this side here you're tying back into the rock. And so I think what we'd have to do here is actually drill holes and put your rebar in here and pour a slab and then make the water go over the slab like my brother-in-law's. I think it works really well. Yeah, it does get slick and mossy, but the other cool part I love about it is the bison can come down here and stand on the slab, maybe avoid them getting into the creek. Ideally, it would be a drinking platform and a crossing, a safe crossing for us. Of course, ATVs, the Scout, the truck, tractors, and even pulling a trailer could get us across here. We've been having to go around since we've owned the property, but we've figured it out the hard way that you just can't do it. So I think a slab needs to go across here and make it used as a drinking platform for our bison. Keeps them out of the creeks, which muddies and dirties it up. Also, it prevents soil erosion too if they can come stand on this. So there's a lot of benefits to it, not only for us, but for our bison as well. An upcoming project. You guys let us know, because here's the catch. If you've seen this before or have some videos out there, please leave a comment below. How do you build a concrete slab when this water runs year-round, essentially? Do you build a dam, then build your slab and make the water go around? How do you do all that with a running creek year-round? Okay. Still asleep? All right, let's go see Eleanor real quick. Come on, Bulleit. Let's go, buddy. Watch yourself over there. Well, hello, princess. You over here eating all this fresh green grass? Hey, girl. Got you a lot of cubes today. So Eleanor has actually been moving around this open 80 acres all to herself. She's actually got the best end of the deal because she has this entire 40 acres of post burn. So we burnt this back in July, and now it has all this awesome green regrowth. Because if you look through other pastures, that green is way down deep. Here, she didn't have to dig through all that standing dead. She's got it. She's got all of it right here. So she's kind of getting the better end of the deal, as the Big Joe herd they're getting their grazing, but she's getting this fresh green stuff that we burnt in July. So it's probably got a little bit more punch to it and stuff, which is good for her. But she's been roaming around and moving. Every time I come out here, she's in a different place. So now we gotta go feed her bees. Come on, Jackie. All right, Marisa got our sugar water mixed up, ready to go. Let's see what these bees are up to. So I usually kind of make my little station right here. They're not super active right now because it's cold, but that doesn't mean they can't come out and play. So my awesome bee lady who's helped me do all this, Julie, she came yesterday and she said, hey, make sure you get some feed for these guys before the actual front hits. And it's hitting right now, so we're getting it to them. But looks like she put some sticks right here in front of those boxes just to reduce the cold, obviously, for these bees. I appreciate all of her help.
Turn it upside down?
Yep, just turn it upside down. That's it.
Fire ants. Of course they're here. I want to smush that one.
You won't.
How do you know?
Yeah, we'll leave.
How is he going to leave?
It's okay. Just put it down in there. Oh, they'll be happy.
How do they get into it?
Right here there's a slot right here, and they get access to it from there. go see this guy right here. Good morning, Hoss. Hey, buddy. Did you miss me? Hoss, you are a feisty young bull. Well, guys, surprise, we are not in Oklahoma anymore. You guys remember this familiar face here, maybe? Guys, this is Hoss. If you remember, we sold 6 cows and 1 bull to some beginner bison ranchers out here in Paonia, Colorado last summer. Marisa, Mud, and Brooks and I brought them out. We were about 4 hours short. Jack had to come and actually meet us because we had truck problems. And anyways, they came and got their bison. They brought them here to their home, to their ranch here in beautiful Paonia, Colorado. Me and a good friend of mine, a Colorado Mike, came up here. Mike picked me up yesterday from the airport. We've been keeping in contact with Jack and his family, keeping up with the bison. We've got a lot to catch you guys up on as well. So Mike and I came up here and we're gonna help them work their bison here for the first time ever here in Paonia, Colorado. That guy right there hadn't changed a bit. I can smell your breath. Oof. We're getting all the pens set up today, and then we're gonna work the bison later on. So Saturday, November 1st was National Bison Day, and Marisa and I put something together for you guys. You can check it out on our website at crosstimbersbison.com. We put some new stuff on there for you guys I think you'll love. We're gonna do a merch drop later on this month. We'll keep you updated with everything. And of course, we'll bring you along when we work these bison. That'll be a whole video all by itself. And you get to see Hoss again, back in action. He hadn't changed much. Thank you guys for watching us. We'll see you guys soon. We're gonna keep on bison ranching.